Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to create this short video to help you out if you're having any trouble getting your response to my topic on Flipgrid. So I'm going to join with the code. So this is what it looks like for you guys. This is the student view. Once you watch my video, after you read the steps, you're going to click record a response. And this is the area where you will read your story on camera. So you're going to click here, and then it's going to prompt you to join the discussion. You will select this orange box that says join with Microsoft because those are our emails, or Microsoft emails. You can also click remember me if you don't want to have to log in again. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And then it's going to open up your student email. It's taking a while. Let me pause it. Alrighty, so then your student email should pop up right here. It will be your student ID at ideastudent.org. You're going to click on it, and then it will log you in to Flipgrid. Then the recording's going to pop up. Hi, if you can see me. The recording's going to pop up, and then it's going to ask you to start recording right here. And this is where you can add in your effects or your emojis. So here's a filter. Ooh. So this is where you can do those things. And once you're done, it'll tell you there'll be a green button right here on the side. So let me just do a little example. You click here on the green button, and then it's going to give you a review. And then you click next. And then it's going to ask you to take a picture, like a selfie. You'll take a picture. Then you click next. And then your video is done. You add the title. You add your name. You don't have to do this part, the link. You can add a title. And then you click submit. And there it goes. You're done. So you can record it as many times as you need to. You can also, delete it and try again if you didn't like how it sounded after you watched it. And maybe you forgot to add the filters. You can add the filters and the emojis if you want. But then you click complete, and then your response should be down here. And then it says your video will be hidden until approved by your educator. That means automatically your video will be hidden just in case you're not ready for other people to see it. I will be able to see it, but your classmates will not be able to see it. Alrighty, guys. So I hope this was helpful. If you're still having problems with Flipgrid, let me know in a message and I can help you out. See you later.